In today's video, we're diving into 3 of the best Office Reader apps for Android. Whether you need to read PDFs, Word documents, or Excel files, these apps will help you manage your documents effortlessly. Let's explore each one and see how they can enhance your productivity. Office Reader, PDF, Word, Excel. Office Reader, PDF, Word, Excel is a versatile app designed to handle a wide variety of document formats, including PDF, Word, and Excel files. The app provides a simple and intuitive interface, allowing users to easily open, read, and navigate through documents. With features like zooming, text highlighting, and annotations, users can enhance their reading experience. The app also supports cloud storage integration, making it easy to access documents stored on platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox. Additionally, users can quickly share documents via email or other apps, making it a great tool for both personal and professional use. All Document Office Reader VE Viewer. All Document Office Reader VE Viewer is an all-in-one app that lets users open and view various document formats, including PDF, Word, Excel, and more. The app is designed for efficiency, providing quick access to documents with a clean and user-friendly layout. Users can easily navigate through pages, adjust zoom levels, and use a search function to find specific text within documents. The app also supports file sharing and management, allowing users to organize their documents effectively. With its comprehensive functionality, All Document Office Reader VE Viewer is an excellent choice for individuals who need to access multiple types of files in one place. Office Reader Word, PDF, Excel. Office Reader Word, PDF, Excel is a feature-rich app that focuses on providing users with the tools needed to read and work with important Office documents seamlessly. This app supports various formats, including Word, PDF, and Excel, offering users the ability to open and read their documents with ease. Key features include text search, bookmarking, and text resizing, which enhance the reading experience. Users can also annotate PDF files, making it suitable for reviewing documents. The app's compatibility with various cloud services ensures that users can access and manage their files conveniently, making Office Reader a reliable choice for anyone who works with Office documents on their Android devices. Thanks for watching our video on the best Office Reader apps for Android. If you have any favorites or suggestions, feel free to share in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful content. See you next time.